In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download student submissions for offline grading. In this case, I have an assignment, written offline activity. I'll click on it. Once it loads, I'll scroll down to the bottom and I'll click on View All Submissions. Once the page loads, I'll scroll down to view all of the students in my class. In this case, I only have one student. And if I wanted to download the file, I could come and click on the file here under File Submissions. Alternatively, if I wanted to grade the student's work, I could click on Grade here, and I'll show you that in a second. If you had multiple students and you wanted to download all of their files at once, you would come and select all by clicking there. Then you scroll down to the bottom, and under this menu where it says with selected, you can click in here, then download selected submissions, then click on Go. This would allow you to download all of their submissions at once. Now, once you have graded those submissions offline, you would want to enter the marks. You can do so by clicking in here and typing the marks that you want to give to the students. Alternatively, you can click on the grade button. This will load this page where you can come and enter the grade of the student, and you can type in any feedback comments if you would like to leave feedback for the students. Once you're done, you can click Save Changes or Save and Show Next if you had many students in your class. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you would like more tutorials like this, please comment below the video on YouTube, and please like to help other people find this video and the other videos that we have on this channel. I look forward to showing you more tutorials on how you can lecture online using technology. Have a blessed day.